Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. Did you know you can overlay controls? Posted a link to the forum about a diagram I did, and a few people asked me how we created this visualization with the map overlaid with the chart. Here's the dashboard live, and you can see it is kind of neat. You can mouse over and highlight just to give you a little bit more context with what you're looking at. So to build this, it's fairly low tech. Go to your data, and first of all, build that bar chart. Now, one thing I found right away that worked better is to use short country names. Don't go with the long form where it's word wrapping and trying to mix everything around. It just looks bad. Clean couple of characters is the best way to get this to work. Basically, just copy it again, paste it in so that I have a second version of it, which is going to be your map. So put these side by side. And I'm just going to revisualize this to a map. Now, the shapefiles in the map do understand the international short form country codes, so you can use those. So you can see that it's able to visualize it. From there, all I did was take the chart and set the sort order so that everything was descending. And I found this as a way to get some of the data out of the way, especially when most things are distributed to one side or another. The other thing you need to make sure you do is change the color. So if you go to your properties, find your data point that you're using. I just used a neutral gray and set the opacity, something that you can see through. So maybe about 60%. That way, as you mouse over, oh, I got these ordered backwards. Let's bring this to the front. Yeah, you can still see it. I might even lighten that up a bit more, maybe 50% in this case. Yeah, something like that. Then the other thing you want to make sure you do is make sure that your map can highlight. So if you go to your map properties under look, you can see that there's a selected element style. Go in there, set the stroke to be a thick black line, maybe 1 or 2 characters. And now if you do that, as you mouse over, you'll see it'll highlight. So that makes it a little bit more obvious. Then all I did was put one on top of the other. And that was it. Add a border for some styling. And that's the entire visualization. The only thing you want to watch out for is that you can no longer touch the map directly because it is being overlaid by a chart. So I can't zoom or scroll or anything like that. Oh, there is one other thing. If you change the map projection, I found that if you go under layout, and change it to Web Mercator, it's a nicer projection of the map if you're doing this overlay. And that'll have a little bit of a better look as well. Hope this helps.